Hello, today's topic? At the pharmacy.
Welcome to our pharmacy. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I need to refill my prescription for blood pressure medication.
Of course. Could you please provide your name and date of birth?
Sure, it's Emily Brown, born on April 15, 1978.
Thank you, MS. Brown. Let me locate your prescription.
Excellent. I'll take one refill, please.
Certainly. Can you verify your address for our records?
Sure, it's 123 Avenue, Oakville, USA.
Got it. Your prescription will be ready shortly.
Thank you. While I wait, do you have any diabetic supplies?
Yes, we do. What specifically do you need?
I need lancets and test strips for my glucose monitor.
We have those in stock. How many do you need?
I'll take a box of lancets and 2 boxes of test strips.
Sure thing. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, do you have any over-the-counter allergy medication?
Yes, we do. What type of allergies do you have?
I have seasonal allergies, so something non-drowsy.
I recommend cetirizine. It's effective and non-drowsy.
Great, I'll take a box of cetirizine tablets, please.
Sure, here you go. Anything else you're looking for?
Yes, do you have any vitamins or supplements?
Certainly. What specific vitamins are you interested in?
I'm looking for a multivitamin for women.
We have several options. Here are a few choices.
Thank you. I'll take the one with iron, please.
Sure, here you go. Anything else you need today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your assistance.
You're welcome, MS. Brown. Have a fantastic day.
Vocabulary.
Prescription. Refill. Date. Birth. Address. Blood. Pressure. Medication. Diabetic. Supplies. Lancets. Test. Strips. Allergy. Seasonal. Tablets. Vitamin. Supplement. Multivitamin. Iron.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.